Pero bago lahat, siyempre, ito po ang ating mga judges for today. Aba, isa sa mga sikat na fashion designers ng mga artista tulad po ng Miss Pina Morales, de Rupa. Siya rin po ang representative ng Pilipinas sa ating mga Young Designers Competition sa Hong Kong, Japan, Singapore, at sa Paris at sa Kamuning. Siyempre, please welcome the famous Abel Bacujo. One of the judges. Hi, and of course, ito, paborito natin lahat. Nakakilala tayo sa buong mundo dahil sa kanyang kagandahan. Ang Miss International 1979, you can judge her, even though she's not a book. Remember that, ladies and gentlemen, the famous and the lovely Miss Melanie Marquez! Wow! The beauty queen yan, tahing, di ba? And of course, eto na, ang dating PBB, talaga naman ang crush ng bayan. Celebrity housemate, at isa na sa mga pinakasikat na cover boys, mga kapamilya, model, walang puro abs, walang tiyan. In love ang host namin dito. Saka ito lang, siya ang pinili. The heartthrob, Mr. Sandro Marudo. Thank you very much, guys. Again po ang ating mga judges for today. Ito na po, tawagin natin from Santo Tomas, Batangas, virtual number 1, Diana Montero. Diana Montero. Kumusta, Diana? Now, nandito ka na sa weekly finals. Yan ang mga judges. Kita mo naman. Dapat confident ka. What do you wanna say?
Hi po.
Wow. Napakadami niyang meaningful, very meaningful. Well, una, ikaw ay, nung nanalo ka, nung daily, anong day ka ba? Wednesday?
Monday po.
Nung Monday, after that, medyo ano bang pagbabago sa'yo?
Ang dami nagte-text sa akin. I'm proud of you, sabi nila. Natutuwa ako, tapos ang gaan sa pakiramdam na ina-accept nila yung pagkapanalo ko.
Wow, alright. Galingan mo yung mga judges, ha? Hindi basta-basta yan. Ito na, siyempre, meron tayong tinatawag na talent. Konti na, papakita natin yung konting talent mo, okay? Ang talent mo ay?
Dancing.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Ito na po, mga kapamilya. From Batangas, Diana Montero.
Shut him down. Y'all thought we killed him with the last one? Remix. DB, DS Brothers, Slow Rock, Big Fool, DJ
Thank you very much. Contestant number 1. Okay, thank you very much sa'yo. Wow. From, okay, sandali lang, hindi pa tapos. Nagmamadi, may biyahe ka ba? Ano sa biyahe mo, iya? Maaga pa, okay? Don't worry. Relax, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, naintindihan namin. Eto na. After your talent, eto na. Okay, we'd like to get a question from our judge, Abel Bacujo. Okay, Abel?
Sa iyong palagay, may karapatan bang manalo sa isang beauty contest ang mali-maling mag-English?
Para po sa akin, may karapatan naman po siguro kasi po, nire-represent niya po yung sarili niya para sa pageant. Saka may effort din siyang ginagawa para sa sarili niya. Kaya ang sakit naman siguro sabihin na hindi pwede mo siyang i-accept sa beauty pageant na mali-mali yung English niya. Siguro kailangan lang ng kaunting improvement para ma-enhance yung skills niya. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Contestant number 1 from Batangas, Diana Montero. Thank you, Diana. Very, very well said, okay? Miss Platoon number 2 from Zamboanga del Sur, Leanne Seidel. Want to say something to our judges and to everyone?
Good afternoon, judges.
And to everyone.
To all of you, good afternoon and happy watching for Wawowi. And hope you enjoy the Miss Pitchroom competition.
Wow, ha? Ginagaya ka, Miss Melanie.
English.
Ang ganda. Okay. Wow. Ikaw ngayon nakapasok sa weekly finals. Katulad ng ating contestant number 1, marami doon nagte-text sa kanya. Anong pagbabago sa'yo?
For me kasi, the importance why I joined this pageant is mabigyan ko po ng honor yung city namin, Pagadian City in Mindanao. So, mga pagbabago is, yun, isa na rin yan, may nagte-text, and then they really pray for me na sana makapasok ako until the monthly and until the finals.
Wow, until you have to wait, okay? That's right. Ikaw ba, what is your motto in life?
Motto in life, don't do unto others what you don't want others to do unto you.
Oh, wow, ganda. Ang Janjo, ha? Do you know what the meaning of that, Miss Eleni? What can you say about that? What can you say about that? Don't to others to
Don't judge her.
That's right. Don't. She's not a book, okay? That's right, okay? Here's what's your talent?
Dancing.
Dancing. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, Leon Seda.
Cuánto amor sin chiquita, para esta chacha bonita. Cuánto amor sin chiquita, el sabor del amor sin chiquita.
Thank you very much. Contestant number 2 for today. Thank you, Idol. Okay, ito na, ha? Wow. Hoy, bumalik kayo dito. Okay, well, I would like to ask my personal self for the question. Okay. Okay lang, siyempre may tension eh. Siyempre, alam mo, buong mundo nanonood sa'yo. Buong Europa, Amerika, Asia. Lahat at buong Pilipinas. Wow, siyempre, okay. Okay, ito na yung maging question from, of course, Miss International 1979, Miss Melanie Marquez.
Okay. Ready? Alam natin lahat, di ba, na ang katawan ay nareretoke na. Paano kapag dumating ang panahon na pwedeng iritoke ang ugali ng tao? Ano ang ugali mong gusto mo iparitoke and why? Bakit?
Oh, it's a very tough question. Thank you, Miss International. You are my idol po. Sa tingin ko po, I have my asset, personal asset, but I think, yeah, of course, I'm not perfect person. So maybe one quality or attribute that I have to change for myself is accepting what is fate, accepting your destiny, whether you will succeed in the future or you will fail. The important thing is you did your best and you did what you think is right.
Pero yung isang bagay sa ugali mo na gusto mong baguhin o kung magpapagatoke ka, that's the question, no? Anong gusto mong retokehin? Yung bang magiging lazy mo? May tantrums ka ba? Ikaw ba'y tamado? Ikaw ba'y may ugaling mataray? Yun ang...
I think it's accepting failures because for me, it's hard for me to accept failures.
Acceptance in life. Wow, tama nga naman. So yun ang gusto niyang baguhin, ma-accept niya yung pagkatalo. But you know what? Everybody loses. Everybody wins. The most important thing is accept me, okay? Thank you very much, Leon Seidel. Thank you, Leon. Contestant number 2 from Pagadian. That's right.